Are you looking for the top 5 water air purifiers you'll wish you discovered sooner? In this video, we'll be taking a closer look at some of the best 5 water air purifiers you'll wish you discovered sooner on the market today. Before we dive in, we've included links in the description for each product mentioned, so be sure to check those out to find the one that fits your style and budget. Number 1. Air purifiers for home large room up to 2,590 square feet with PM 2.5 display air quality sensor. High efficiency and larger coverage for pet lovers. FitAP M1419 air purifiers for home large room can effectively purify air pollutants and cover an area up to 2,590 square feet. Refresh a room of 210 square feet rapidly in just 8 minutes. Superior odor-absorbing filter. It can trap airborne pet hairs and odors more easily. High-efficiency HEPA air purifier captures 99.97% of airborne particles, ensuring a smoke-free, dust-free, allergen-free, and odor-free environment for you and your family. The smart air purifier is equipped with an upgraded PM 2.5 particle sensor, which will more accurately and quickly monitor the air quality in real time and show it on the display, let you know the air health condition at any time. In auto mode, the home air purifiers can adjust the fan speed according to the air quality. When the surrounding air becomes turbid, the indicator light will turn yellow or red, and the fan will automatically speed up. This air purifier with washable filter has a filter change reminder function. When the filter reaches the end of its service life, the filter indicator lights up to remind you to replace the filter. You can also clean the pre-filter to extend its service life. We recommend replacing the filter every 3 to 6 months and using the official DBFIT filter to ensure optimum performance. Number 2. AROEVE air purifiers for bedroom home. AROEVE air purifier utilizes filter that can filter out particles such as smoke, pollen, dander, hair, and more, potentially improving air quality and promoting better health and well-being for you. With dual channel and 360-degree air inlet technology, AROEVE air purifier refreshes the air per hour in rooms up to 287 square feet / 25 square meters, covering every corner of the room to promote better health for you. AROEVE air purifier operates quietly, especially when the sleep mode is activated, which reduces the fan speed to the lowest setting, effectively eliminating any noticeable sound. The filtered air noise is as low as 22 dB, making it ideal for creating a peaceful and relaxing indoor environment while still providing impressive purification. It features an aroma pad located below the air outlet that allows you to add 4 to 5 drops of your favorite essential oil, not included. As the purifier circulates fresh air, the fragrance spreads throughout the room, creating a pleasant and healthy environment for you and your family to enjoy. Number 3. Air purifier and humidifier combo for bedroom up to 200 square feet. Gold Tech air purifier and humidifier combo with equipped with an advanced 3-stage filtration system. True H13 HEPA filters can effectively remove dust, smoke, pollen, dander, which can refresh the air in spaces up to 200 square feet, ensuring consistently superior air quality. This air purifier humidifier combo for bedroom purifier operates quietly and makes almost zero noise at a low 22 decibels when sleep mode is activated. Equipped with a child lock to prevent incorrect operation caused by pets or children. Ideal for creating a peaceful, relaxing indoor environment, the humidifier and air purifier in one indoor air quality can be displayed in real time. Brightly colored LED lights let you know how clean or dirty your indoor air is at every moment, or you can set the right ambient light for a better visual experience. This air humidifier and purifier covers up to 200 square feet while maintaining a compact size of 6.69 by 6.69 by 6.69 inches. The compact body makes placement a breeze. Whether it's on your desk or in a corner, it's ready to go wherever you need it. Number 4. Humidifiers for bedroom large room. The 5L No Mist humidifier for large bedrooms offers a clean, comfortable breathing environment without leaving moisture residue, making it ideal for babies, plants, and sensitive spaces. Using advanced evaporator technology, it provides gentle, invisible humidity that hydrates the air naturally while preventing white dust and dampness. Its generous 5-liter tank supports long, uninterrupted operation, perfect for overnight use. while the ultra-quiet design ensures peaceful sleep for families and light sleepers. The convenient top fill system allows easy refilling and cleaning, reducing mess and maintenance time. Acting as both a humidifier and air cleaner, it helps maintain balanced humidity levels and supports healthier air quality. With adjustable settings, auto shut-off safety, and energy-efficient performance, this no-miss humidifier is an excellent choice for bedrooms, nurseries, offices, and plant care spaces. Number 5. Germ Guardian 5 in-1 HEPA air purifier for home. Equipped with protective HEPA high-efficiency particulate air filter, this large room air purifier efficiently captures 99.97% of particles as small as 0.1 microns, trapping allergens like dust, pollen, and pet dander. A must-have air cleaner for homes, apartments, offices, and dorms, the Zero Ozone Certified Germ Guardian Air Purifier uses ultraviolet, UVC, tech to reduce airborne contaminants, so you can enjoy cleaner, fresher air indoors. Reliable room deodorizer. Equipped with an activated carbon filter, this air purifier, HEPA, traps and absorbs volatile organic compounds along with dust, pet hair, and other large particles, effectively reducing odors from smoking, cooking, and pets. Designed and independently tested in the USA, our units are among the best air purifiers for home use. Designed and engineered in the USA, they are CARB California Air Resource Board certified, EDO certified, and Zero Ozone verified.